Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you what is remove duplicate rows activity and how to remove duplicate rows in a data table. So this is my data table. I am going to remove some duplicate rows in this data table. So you can find this remove duplicate rows activity under this data table category. So for example, look at this data table where here you can see the rows Akshay and John repeated twice in this row, and here totally here are 8 rows in this data table. After removing duplicates from this data table, you will get only 6 rows, and I will put that 6 rows of data table in an Excel sheet. So these are the duplicate rows: John, and its employee ID is 1 and its city is Hyderabad. Okay, so and Akshay, whose name is Akshay and employee ID is 4 and city is Mumbai, and which is repeated for twice here: Akshay and John. So okay, and now I am going to create an output data table variable. So using shortcut Control K, and I will name it as dt out, which is nothing but data table out. So now I will just drag and drop this remove duplicate rows activity into our designer panel. So this remove duplicate rows activity removes the duplicate rows from a specified data table. So and keeping only the first occurrences. So let me drag and drop it under this build data table activity, and click on this. Here I need to pass the input data table. In which data table do you want to remove the duplicates? You can pass that data table name. So I will remove the duplicates from this data table, and its name is dt out, and I will pass that name in this data table as an input. So dt, it will suggest you when you type just dt. So hit on enter, and after removing duplicates, I am going to store in a different data table, or also I can store in the same data table. So after removing the duplicates, I will store the data in the same data table. And now after removing the duplicates from this table, I will copy this data table in an Excel sheet. So I will use right range activity to put this data table in an Excel sheet, and I will give the workbook path. So I will give this path, but I will change its name so that it is going to store as a new Excel sheet: employee data without duplicates, or just employee data removed duplicates. Okay, so I pass the data table name dt out. So after removing the duplicates, it will store the data in this dt out data table. I just passed the data table in this Excel sheet, so it is going to store in this Excel sheet with the name employee data remove duplicates. It is going to create a new Excel sheet with this name. So let me run this process and show you. So process is completed, and let me open this Excel sheet, not this one, and I will open this Excel sheet which we have created from our UiPath. So let me open this. So now you can see here are only 6 records after removing duplicates from this data table. So before removing the duplicate records, it was 8 records in that data table. So let me show you that one also. Here is 8 records, and here repeated duplicates are John and Akshay, but you can't see those names repeated times in this Excel sheet. So this is how to use remove duplicate rows activity in UiPath. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.